We want to round 37.37125 correct to various degrees of accuracy. I'm just going to write the number out over here. 37.37125. When we look at the nearest whole number, we could either do it using a number line, it's going to be between 37 and 38 and so on, or we could look at the first decimal place. The first decimal place tells us what we need to do. Remember, the rule is 0 to 4 round down, 5 to 9 round up. So this is a 3, we round down, so it's going to be 37. Now for one decimal place, what we need to do is look at the second decimal place. That's a 7, so we round up. So 37 point, so 3 needs to round up to 4. And note how there is just one decimal place in the answer. Now let's just explain that one with the number line. If we're going to one decimal place, 37.3, 37.4. It should be clear to you that this number is between those two. 37.35 would be exactly in the middle. We've got 37.37, which is to this side and therefore closer to 37.4. Now we want two decimal places. Just think about which decimal place we need to look at. If we're going to two decimal places, we need to look at the third decimal place. It's a 1, so we round down. We're going to two decimal places, so we're going to chop it just here. And we're rounding down, so we go to 37.37. Now we're going to go for three decimal places. So the important one to look at is the fourth decimal place. It's a 2, so we round down, and that's 37.371. Now when we do these, we can write in brackets the degree of accuracy just afterwards, like this. So finally we're going to do four decimal places. So clearly we need to look at the fifth decimal place, which is a 5. The rule tells us to round up. If we looked at it number line wise, it's actually exactly in the middle, and it's a convention that we round up when that's the case. So we're going to round up, so we're going to have 37.371, and it's this decimal place that rounds up, so it's going to go to 3.